Ever tried to buy Bitcoin with lightning speed? Maybe you're looking to jump into the Ethereum game, or perhaps the world of DeFi has piqued your curiosity. Whatever your crypto fancy, chances are you've heard of Kraken, one of the biggest and most established cryptocurrency exchanges around. But here's the thing, sometimes, even the most tech-savvy crypto enthusiasts just want a simple way to buy in. That's where good old-fashioned e-transfers come in. They're secure, convenient, and widely used in many countries. So, the big question is, does Kraken accept e-transfers? The plot thickens. Well, buckle up crypto comrades, because this is where things get interesting. Unlike some of its competitors, Kraken doesn't directly support e-transfers. Hold on, don't hit that unsubscribe button just yet. There might still be a way to bridge this gap. Let's dive into why Kraken doesn't accept e-transfers and explore some alternative solutions. Why no e-transfers on Kraken? There are a couple of reasons why Kraken might not offer e-transfers. One possibility is fees. E-transfers can sometimes come with transaction fees attached, which can be a pain for both Kraken and the user. Kraken, being a global platform, might find it challenging to navigate the varying fee structures across different countries. Another reason could be security. E-transfers, while generally safe, might not offer the same level of security and control that Kraken prefers for its transactions. Remember, cryptocurrency is a new and ever-evolving space, and security is paramount for any exchange. Workarounds, your e-transfer crypto lifeline. So, if you're bummed that Kraken doesn't accept e-transfers directly, fear not. There are still ways to get your crypto fix using the trusty e-transfer method. Here are a couple of options. P2P trading, peer-to-peer, P2P, trading platforms connect you directly with other users who want to buy or sell crypto. Some P2P platforms might allow you to use e-transfers as a payment method. However, be sure to do your research and choose a reputable platform with strong security measures before diving into P2P trading. Third-party deposit methods. Certain third-party services act as middlemen, allowing you to deposit funds via e-transfer and then use those funds to purchase crypto on an exchange like Kraken. Again, do your due diligence. Make sure the third-party service is reliable and has a good track record. Remember, these workarounds might come with additional fees or verification steps. Always compare fees and weigh the risks involved before going this route. The final verdict. While Kraken itself doesn't accept e-transfers, there are alternative ways to leverage the convenience of e-transfers to buy crypto on Kraken. Just remember to prioritize security and be aware of any additional fees or steps involved. Cryptocurrency is an exciting and ever-changing landscape. If you're new to the crypto space, don't hesitate to do your own research and stay informed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.